Hi guys, because the guys in here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. Now we're going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to react to a K-pop video. This is my first time watching an actual K-pop video, and it's a recommendation from one of my elementary school students. It's Butter by BTS. Now, people, I don't know what to expect. I know BTS is really big globally, and they broke a couple Guinness World Records the other day. And this video also had 200 million views in a week. So I mean, let's see what this song is about. All right, so. Don't kill me if I don't understand the things that are taking place here. Go. Mm.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cool shade.
Ooh, the white and black giving me like a cool vintage vibe. And what? Wait, what's that? Is that shoulder pads in this guy's jacket in the middle right there? He's yeah. Shoulder pads. All right. Okay. Okay. BTS fashion icons.
Yeah, owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer. Yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down. Ooh, when I look in the mirror, I'm not too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so ooh, do the booty. A side step right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby.
No, I don't know what I was expecting, but their English is like not to sound patronized or anything, but they sound like Americans, like American like pop stars. I know they're global. I thought they sang mostly Korean, but yeah, I see why people are into their thing. Aesthetically pleasing guys and stuff. All right, let's go.
Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause talk is cheap. Side step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. Smooth like butter. Pour you in like no other. Don't need no usher to remind me you got it bad. Ain't no other that could sweep.
Okay, little run there. A little, ooh, all right. I didn't know you boys could sing.
You up like a rubber. Straight up, I gotcha. Making you fall like that. Break it down. Ooh, when I look in the mirror, I'm at your heart into two. I got the superstar glow, so ooh. To the boogie line. Side step right left to my beat. I like the move right with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause talk is cheap. A side step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll.
All right.
Get it, let it roll.
Shuffle.
Get it, let it roll. Eyes on my wrist, I'm the
Yo, I love the mix of the colors in the video. That's dope. I love the choreography. I don't know who's their choreographer, but it's on point. I mean, I'm slightly impressed, mildly impressed. I'm mildly impressed.
black scar. Got the right body and the right mind. Rolling up the party, got the right vibes. Move like haters. Fresh boy, pull up and we lay low. All the bands get moving with the bass low.
Hold on. Oh, wait, what is this? The rapping? Yeah, this is my brain just not processing it. What? These boys out there rapping like, yeah. Oh, damn, niggas sound better than me.
Go army right behind us when we say so. Let's go. Side step right left to my beat. Right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause talk is cheap. Side step.
Ooh, I just listen to this. Maybe I got that heat. Let me show you whose talk is cheap. Damn, these lyrics, got it. Puss, nah, these guys, yo, they're about that life.
Right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. Cool light, cool shade, and you know we don't stop. Highlight, ain't no, you been like, oh my God, we gon' make the rock in his head. We gon' make it bounce in his head. Hotter, sweeter, cooler, butter. Get it, let it roll.
Wait, what is it just people? Hold on, people just eat butter like that? Actually, yes, that's true. People actually fry butter and eat it, but just like that. Damn. All right, cool, BTS. Alright, yeah. It's a vibe, song is a vibe. Yeah, I mean, totally. Let me know what you guys think about this song. If you want to see more reactions to me doing things like this, let me know what you think about this song, guys, in the comments down below. I'm not new to BTS. I've seen them before. I've been to Koreatown, Shinokubu in Tokyo, and my friend Korniko spoke about them a lot. So when we're in Koreatown, there's a lot of memorabilia there and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below about this video. If you want to see more reactions to videos or anything, let me know, and I'll try and fit them in. You know, trying to get up to 20,000 subscribers. I'm only 6 away from 12,000. So yeah, dynamite.